Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm for October. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, this is my October Boxycharm. Let's open it up and see what we got this month. This is what it looks like. Has a card in there. Hoorah, hoorah. It says Boxycharm Spellbound. So pretty for Halloween. So let's see. The first thing I pick up is from Glow Recipe. This is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I've been wanting to try this. I've been eyeing it and having it in my cart. You know that situation where you put stuff in your cart and then you put save for later? Save for later? That was me. I heard good things about this product. I'm so glad I got it in my boxy. So it says Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Used as a hydrating, highlighting serum before moisturizer or as the last step of your routine. The MSRP for this item is $34. So I can't wait to use this. The next item I'll pick up is from Ace Beauty. It's a palette, Falling For You. Look how pretty the packaging is. So cute for fall. Ace Beauty is one of those brands, their eyeshadows. I'm like, I don't know. They got a lot of nice looking palettes. The color stories, their formula is not my favorite. This is so pretty though. Look at the metallics in there. Ooh. Like you see, they feel chunky. I don't know. No? It looks pretty. That's all the shimmers in the palette. Swatched. I do have some other swatches on my arms from another video. But I can't wait to try this. The formula feels nice. That is a matte. I can't wait to try this. I love in the color story. Look at this deep purple right here. This orange. And then yellow thrown in. Definitely fall colors. Let's see. It says Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. The Falling For You palette represents some of the most favorite things about the fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. The MSRP for this item is $34.99. And this is a new launch, which is awesome. I'm loving, loving, loving it. I hope the formula is amazing with this palette. Next item I pick up is from Tynt Beauty. I haven't tried this brand before. It says Lash and Brow Duo. So it must have a lash on one end, brows on the other, which is good for the go. But it's not something that I would normally pick up. But the packaging is so pretty. It's heavy. So this says a lash, which is like this. Oh, that's a tiny, tiny wand, which is good for traveling. I'm interested to try it because I haven't tried this brand, which is so awesome. And this is for your brows, which I don't normally use a brow product like that, but you know I'm going to try because I got to try everything. it says Tynt Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. This duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel in the abyss of your makeup bag. It combines two products in one. The mascara is created with a smooth, oil-rich formula with strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer, naturally fuller looking, and thicker without clump. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes of color for fuller and well-defined brows. The MSRP for this item is $29. I wonder what color. It says brow, but it doesn't have a color for the brow, so that's weird. There's no actual shade. Oh, brown. So the mascara is black and the brow gel is brown. I'll try it. The next item I pick up is from Jalees. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Jalees Beauty Wing Stamp Eyeliner. Jalees. I've actually tried a stamp eyeliner before, and I really liked it. I ordered it from Amazon years ago, and it was so easy to stamp it and get your wing. It's really good for people that cannot get that precise wing or have trouble steady with their hands. So the one that I've tried from Amazon really worked well. So it says it's a stamp on both. Nope, so it's a liner on one, a stamp on the other. So let's see. So that's my stamp. So that's what you would do. You would stamp it at the edge as far or small as you want it to be, and then you would use the liner to line the rest of the way. So I'm interested to try that. I don't normally use this anymore, but years and years ago when this first came out, a product like this came out, I have tried it from Amazon and I really, really did like it. So hopefully it works. It works. I always like a good liner. It says Jalees Beauty, now wings are easier than ever. The stamp liner comes with dual sides, one wing shaped and one traditional pen shape. Super easy to use, even for beginners. Just press the stamp onto the outer eye area and then use the pen side to connect and perfect. And it was very easy to use. The MSRP for this item is $22. So I haven't tried this brand either before. New brands. Loving it. So the last item in this box is from Julep Beauty. It's makeup remover towelettes. I don't really use makeup towels anymore, but I am not mad at getting a pack of them. It says biodegradable. It says Julep makeup remover towelettes. Simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin. With witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil, swipe cloth across skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara, without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. I'd rinse. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. 100% biodegradable, which is amazing. The MSRP for this item is $20. $20 for 60 towelettes. I'm not mad at it. I think this bag was actually really, really nice. I like this bag. So let's add her up and see what we get. If y'all received Boxy, let me know if we received any of the same items. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops is $34. Then we have the Ace Beauty Falling for You palette, $34.99. And then the Tynt Beauty Lash and Brow Duo is $29. And then Jalees Beauty, I know I'm butchering that, Wing Stamp Eyeliner is $22. And then the Julep makeup remover towelette is $20. And that's a total of $139.99. So not bad at all. I really like the palette. The eyeshadow palette looks really pretty. It looks really promising, especially for fall. These colors are so pretty. And then the Glow Recipe Dewdrops, I've been wanting to try that. And then other brands that I haven't tried before, excited about that. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Until next time, stay blessed.